Hey there, IT pros! Today, I'm diving into the ultimate guide for configuring device settings. Whether you're setting up a new machine or just tweaking an existing setup, I've got you covered. Let's get right into it. First, let's tackle IP addresses. An IP address is like the home address for your device on the network. To configure it, head over to your network settings. If you're on Windows, go to Control Panel, then Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings, right-click your network connection, and hit Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Here, you can manually enter your IP address and subnet mask. Speaking of subnet masks, this is the part that tells your device which portion of the IP address represents the network and which part represents your device. Typically, you'll see something like 255.255.255.0 for a small network. Make sure to match this with your network requirements. Next, let's talk about proxy settings. A proxy acts as an intermediary between your device and the internet. To configure this, go to your browser settings or system settings depending on your OS. On Windows, you can find this under Internet Options in Control Panel. Navigate to the Connections tab and click on LAN Settings. Here you can enter your proxy server details. Now, onto WINS servers. WINS helps devices find each other using NetBIOS over TCP/IP. To add or change WINS servers, go back to your TCP/IPv4 properties. Click on Advanced and then WINS. You can enter the IP addresses for primary and secondary WINS servers here. Don't forget the default gateway. This is the device that routes traffic from your local network to other networks, usually the internet. Go back to your TCP/IPv4 properties and enter the IP address of your default gateway, which is typically your router. Finally, it's crucial to validate all these settings. Use the command prompt on Windows. Just type and hit Enter to see a detailed overview of your network configuration. Look for any discrepancies and make sure everything aligns with what you set up. And that's a wrap. Configuring device settings might seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy configuring. Catch you in the next one.